What's up, guys? Hey, this is my 2007 GMC Sierra 1500. What I'm going to show you should cover the GMC Chevrolet 1500s through 3500s, if I'm not mistaken. It may also apply to your Yukon and Tahoes of the same years. So what I'm chasing is a passenger side floorboard that gets wet occasionally. I initially thought it was a heater core. I do have a small seep in the heater core, just enough to kind of smell, but I'm not actually getting liquid out of it at this point. But that's something I'm going to be addressing when I do a motor swap in around June, somewhere in there. But there's a couple other avenues that we had to explore to try to make sure that we weren't getting water in that floorboard as well. And what I found is, do a little bit of research, digging around, there's about 2 or 3 other scenarios beyond the heater core where you could potentially be getting water into the floorboard and making your carpet mildew and mold. One's going to be this particular piece underneath the wiper cowl. As you can see, I got the wiper cowl out right now. It's currently being cleaned, getting ready to go back in, but it has a factory seal around it, as you can kind of see right in that little crevice there all the way around. If you lose that seal, then you're gonna have to pull that off, clean it up real good, RTV it, silicone it, something that's gonna last and ain't gonna dry up on you. You definitely don't want it to dry up and have to redo all this. But that little plate right there is directly above the fresh air intake for the AC. And if you can see way back up in there, sorry, it's kind of dark, but that is the fresh air intake for your AC, and that goes directly to the floorboard. And if you lose your seal on that top side up there, it has a potential to leak straight into that inlet and give you a problem with a wet floorboard. So it is designed way down off in here. Kind of, you can see where it's kind of dirty. Sorry about the dirt, I ain't cleaned it up yet, but it's designed to actually flow water that gets into this cowling out the end of there. You can kind of see way over in there, you can see a kind of light. That's where it just dumps off into the fender, and it's designed to kind of keep water away from it. But that is a potential route for a wet floorboard. The other one, I'm gonna go inside. I've kind of got everything tore out because, again, I did have a wet floor. The other one is going to be that little boot right there. This boot right here that goes from your door to the cab. That harnesses all the wires that go to your speakers, door locks, all that kind of good stuff. What you'll see, and again, apologize for the wires, is that's the back side of that boot right there, the connector, that white ring, and that goes to this little pocket right here. And what I was finding is this pocket would be full of water. It would fill up to the point where it would actually overflow into the floorboard, and I didn't necessarily have water coming from up here. So in that case, that kind of directed me straight over here. But I wanted to go ahead and follow up and make sure that piece up top wasn't going to give me a problem later when I go put everything back in here, put the carpet and floor liner and all that good stuff back in here. But anyway, just kind of wanted to throw that out there for y'all guys. If it is giving you a problem, a couple of areas to look. Again, of course, you could be, those fittings back up in there and are prone to leaking as well for the heater core. So you could have a leaky heater core, that panel, or the rubber seals. And that rubber seal could also be the same thing, I guess, for the driver's side as well. If you're getting water over there, maybe an area to check. Underneath this cowling, just FYI, it had this kind of 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch adhesive backed weather stripping. I had to go down to Lowe's and pick up some that 1 inch expandable, excuse me, a 1/2 inch expandable by 1/2 inch with the adhesive back to go back with it. I like to make sure everything's put back to the way it was, everything's tip-top shape, keep this truck in line, keep her on the road. So anyway, just thought I'd throw that out there for you guys, kind of give you a couple areas to look, make sure that you weren't chasing your tail, and you could get this done quicker manner. Anyway, probably y'all guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.